want to download a crack software? Then you have selected the right video. Hello everyone, welcome to the brand new video of this channel, and today we are going to discuss about some trusted website to download a crack software. Okay, let's start. Downloading a crack software is pretty hard because some websites provide fake software, some websites are fake, and this may harm your computer. But today we have two websites to download crack software which are very trusted and genuine. Okay, let's start bit till the end. One, getintopc.com. Getintopc.com is aimed to provide the software to the user which they want. They provide direct downloading link which is pretty very good. To use it, you have to go to any browser, then you have to search for Get Into PC, then press enter. Then you have to click on the first link available there. Here you can see that we have opened the Get Into PC. Then in the right side you might see the search bar. There you have to search the software you want to download. Here I will search for Filmora. Okay, here you can see that I have got the crack version of Filmora. Like this you can get the crack version of other software also, like Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, here you can see that we have got the crack version of Adobe Premiere Pro. Here are crack categories of software, operating system, graphic design, etc. Saddam PC. Saddam PC is also the website like getintopc.com. This also aims to provide paid software for free. To use it, you have to go to any browser and you have to search for Saddam PC there. SADEEM PC and press enter. Then you have to click on the first link available there. After clicking, you will find this type of interface, and in the right side there is a search option. There you have to search for the software that you want to download. Here also I will search for Filmora. Okay, here you can see that I have got the crack version of Filmora. Like this you can search for other software also. I have recommended you two websites to download the crack software, but they are not 100% safe, but they are safer than the website may you have visited. Although they are community recommended software, you need to be careful. Okay, thank you for watching the video till end. Be with you every time. God bless you. Thank you.